So, hey class 8, in this video we are going to start with our exercise 9.1. This is algebra and you will love algebra. Okay, now the first question is you have to identify the terms, their numerical as well as literal coefficient, right? सबसे पहले मुझे आप terms बताओगे. Yes, first part में निखिल आप बताएंगे 5xyz square minus 3zy. How many terms are there?
2.
2, yes. The terms are 2, yes. Can you tell me the numerical coefficients?
5 and 3.
Monomial?
No,
No,
5
no.
and minus 3, right? And
Yes,
what about the
yes.
literal coefficients? They are x, y, z square and zy. Okay. Next, Manan. How many terms are there? 3
Ma'am,
minus
4.
pq. Yes, we have terms 4, right? तो क्या आप मुझे numerical और literal coefficients बता सकते हैं?
Ma'am, numerical PR, ma'am, literal minus PQ, QR and minus RP.
Yes. Yes. Nikhil, next is for you. X by 2 plus x by y, sorry, y by 2 minus xy. How many terms are there?
3.
Yes. And the literal, sorry, the numerical coefficients? It's 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And yes, it is x, y and minus xy आपके literal coefficients हो गए. Okay, next maybe you have 3 terms, right? And the numerical coefficients are
0.3,
0.3,
minus 0.6.
yes, minus 0.6 and
0.5.
plus 0.5. And the literal coefficients will be
A, B and B.
yes, A, B and B, right? Okay. Now in the next question, you have to tell me what are like which of the following algebraic expressions are monomials, binomials, trinomials. Before attempting this question, I would like to tell you monomial means there is single term. Okay, binomial means there are 2 terms, and trinomials mean there are 3 terms. Okay, Nikhil?
And more than that,
Yes.
Yes, if there are more than that, so you will call that as polynomial. Okay, so yes, start with Manan. First,
monomial.
it is monomial because मैंने आपको ये बताया था expressions को अगर हमें separate out करना है तो we need to have plus or minus, but here we have multiplication sign. तो ये multiply का sign है ना, तो ये पता है क्या बन जाएगा? It will be 5pqr square. तो ये क्या है? Single term है. So this is monomial.
मैं solve करके दिखाना चाहिए
नहीं, this is just for your understanding. लेकिन अगर आप सॉल्व कर भी देते हो तो क्या इसमें कोई नुकसान तो है नहीं. Yes, Nikhil, the next.
Binomial?
How?
monomial.
I just told you कि हमें सिर्फ प्लस माइनस चाहिए. आप मुझे बताओ ये कैसा एक्सप्रेशन है? It is monomial. Okay?
अब तो monomial है मैम.
हाँ, पहले भी मोनोमियल था वो.
Yes मैम.
Yes, उन्होंने उसकी साइन उन्होंने लिखा इस तरह से है कि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ. आपने बस यही दिमाग गांठ बांध के रख लो कि भाई एक्सप्रेशंस के बीच में जब तक प्लस माइनस नहीं है ना, मैंने उनका बंटवारा नहीं करना. ओके? उनकी यूनिटी रहती है. Yes, next, Manan.
Binomial.
Yes, it is binomial. Rashi, can you chat me the answer for the next one? Binomial है Manan. Why it is binomial? You have
plus
yes, we have 2 terms which are separated by a plus sign. Yes, Rashi, tell me whether the fourth one is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. Yes, Rashi. It can be written as, yes, it is trinomial. Very good. Because beta आप देखो 5a square upon 2 minus 3b square upon 2 plus c upon 2. Yes, Nikhil, you got my point. क्योंकि यहाँ पे you have
Yes,
a
ma'am.
minus, you have a plus. So this is qualified to be called as trinomial. Yes. Okay. Now Manan, you tell the next 5th part.
Binomial.
Yes, it is binomial because the terms are separated by a single minus. So it is binomial. Okay, now Nikhil.
And binomial.
Yes, binomial. And how it will look like? It will look like this. right? So we have two terms
Yes,
which are
ma'am.
separated by a single negative sign, which is binomial. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Yes, so the next question is identify which of the following expressions are polynomials and if so, write their degrees. देखो polynomial सबसे पहले polynomial समझ लेते हैं क्या होता है. I told you which has got more than 3 terms. That expression is said to be called as polynomial. And what do you mean by degree? It is the highest power of the variable. ठीक है, जो भी वेरिएबल प्रेजेंट होगा उसका हाईएस्ट जो आपका एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर होगी दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज द डिग्री. जैसे अब आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट है 2/5x4 minus √3x² plus 5x minus 1. So how many terms are there?
Um,
Four.
4.
So it is a polynomial. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Degree
And
are
the degree
4.
will be yes 4.
Four.
Very
4.
good. Nikhil, did you get how it came out to be 4?
Ma'am, क्योंकि हम highest
Yes,
ma'am, x to the
variable.
power
Yes, ma'am. X के ऊपर 4 है.
Yes, वेरिएबल हमारे पास क्या है x है यहाँ पे और x की हाईएस्ट पावर क्या आ रही है बेटा 4. Yes. Next
4.
बेटा. Next, how many terms are there?
3.
3. So we will call this as polynomial.
No, ma'am.
No, we will
Trinomial.
No, ma'am. It's trinomial.
it's trinomial.
Ma'am,
Okay.
इसकी value बतानी है.
No. Then next,
Ma'am,
yes, is it a polynomial or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you give me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reason?
four.
Yes, there are 4 terms, so it is said to be a polynomial. So can you now
Degree
give me the
4.
degree? Yes,
4.
degree will be 4 and sorry, it is A का है 3 and it is 4. Next.
Ma'am, पर b का नहीं है ना?
Yes. यहाँ पे देखो बेटा हमारे पास 2 वेरिएबल्स हैं. वैसे तो हम क्या करते हैं एक वेरिएबल का लेते हैं, बट व्हेन यू हैव द 2 वेरिएबल्स काइंडली राइट द हाईएस्ट ऑफ बोथ.
Ma'am, degree तो highest power.
बट अगर सिंगल वेरिएबल हो तो ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का भी फिर यही होगा.
यस,
Ma'am,
नेक्स्ट
तो
में भी
ऊपर वाले में भी तो
यस उसमें सिंगल वेरिएबल था बेटा x.
मम्मी इस पे y की वैल्यू तो 1 ही है. अच्छा, ये 3 है और x की भी 3 है. अच्छा, मैंने 3 है.
Chalo. Now we will proceed on to the addition. I'm going to give you the question. Kindly try to do that. Okay? Yes. The very first question is, let me note down the question. It is AB minus BC, right? Then you have BC minus CA, CA minus AB. Now try this question. You have to follow both the methods, right? You will follow the horizontal. Just give it a try, then we will discuss. No issues. And the column. So yes, in the horizontal method, as you are quite familiar with the thing that when you are going to remove the commas, right, you have to put brackets. Okay, so it will be the first step will be AB minus BC. We will put a bracket and plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB, right? Now the second step will be opening up of the brackets. As it is only addition, so there will be no sign change. Okay, so simply open up the brackets and write down the terms as it is. Now look for the like terms. Yes, AB minus AB, right? Minus BC plus BC, right? Minus CA plus CA. Don't you think it will get cancelled out? Yes, so my answer is coming out to be 0, right? Now we will see our column method. Okay, so the
ये
first
क्या था?
यही था. The next is BC जिसके आगे कोई साइन नहीं है. We'll write down plus minus CA. Next is plus CA minus AB. Right, now simply add this thing. This will get wiped off, this will get wiped off, and this will get wiped off. So my answer is coming out to be 0. Is that clear? The first part is clear?
Yes मैम.
Okay, now go for the second part.
अगर वहीं पे मैम अगर
Yes.
इसी सेम क्वेश्चन में
हाँ जी.
कुछ भी मतलब समझो एक कैंसिल आउट नहीं हो रहा
तो बेटा फिर वो वही आपका आंसर बन जाएगा बच्चे.
समझो सी ए कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा तो वो
हाँ, तो
आंसर
वो
है.
आंसर बन जाएगा. राशि she didn't take
Okay,
into
ma'am.
account the negative sign, इसलिए इसने 2ab का आंसर मुझे दिया. Right राशि? So the next part is 2p square q square minus 3pq, right, plus 4, comma 5 plus 7pq minus 3pq square and q square, right? So you use the both the methods, right? We will follow both the methods. वैसे बेटा देखो जब हम एग्जाम करते हैं there is no need to follow both the methods, but I want कि आपकी ना दोनों methods के साथ practice होनी चाहिए, right? So we will do both the methods when we are doing the exercise. But जब मैं आपको टेस्ट दूंगी until and unless कुछ mention नहीं है तो आपको जो method follow करना है आप वो method follow कर सकते हैं. Is that okay? Yes, so in the horizontal method, what we are going to do, we are simply going to remove the commas, place the brackets and put a positive sign in between the two expressions. So the very first step will be 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, bracket close, plus, again the bracket starts, 5 plus 7pq minus 3pq square, sorry, p square q square, right? So now the next step is opening up of the brackets. So it is simply in this you just have because you're doing addition, so there is no rolla rappa of the sign change. So simply note down the terms as it is, and in the next step just जो थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं सब यारी दोस्ती को इकट्ठे कर दो, राइट? जो यार दोस्त हैं उनको इकट्ठे करो, which are your like terms, right? Friends भी तभी बनते हैं ना when you have some likes between you, right? So it's 2pq square 2p square q square, so it is minus 3p square q square minus 3pq plus 7pq
plus 7pq
yes, and plus 4 and plus 5. So my
plus 5.
answer is going to come out now. It is minus p square q square, right, plus 4pq
Yes ma'am.
plus 9. Is that so, Nikhil?
No मैम मेरा 10pq पता नहीं क्यों आ रहा है अब.
Why? You have not taken into account the negative sign. It's minus 3, not plus.
हाँ. Yes ma'am.
I told you this negative sign always plays games on you. Be aware of it.
बाकी सारे बिल्कुल ठीक चल रहा है.
Yes. चलिए now we will just see कि हम इसे column method से करें तो क्या हमारे आंसर में कोई फर्क आएगा? वैसे तो आना नहीं चाहिए. So just check for this, right? So now it's 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, right? Now it's minus 3p square q square plus 7pq plus, oh, slightly I should move this, plus 5. Now simply हमें add करना है, so there is no झमेला, nothing, simply add them up. So it will be minus p square q square plus 4pq, right, plus 9. So it is the same answer.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so great. चलिए अब we will proceed on to our next question, the next part. Okay, the next part is going to be done by you guys. It is L square plus M square, right? You have M square, this is a comma, right? Plus N square, then N square plus L square 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl, right? Now kindly do this. Yes.